County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Monroe, over Wesley Chapel, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Indian Trail, Weddington, Stallings, Wesley Chapel, Lake Park, Mineral Springs, Wausau, Henry Bridge, and Monroe. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m.
Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Union, North Carolina.